In critical scenarios, fireproof cable trays are indispensable for high-rise cable shafts, hospital ICUs, and emergency power lines. They ensure uninterrupted power during fires, buying crucial time for rescue and in high-risk areas like chemical plants and data centers. They prevent flames from damaging cables, avoiding secondary disasters or data loss. Premium fireproof trays offer featuring special fire-resistant coatings and they rapidly form heat barriers at high temperature, maintaining structural stability without while offering corrosion resistance, suitable for both eliminating separate procurement, reducing costs, and simplifying. The open design also facilitates future cable maintenance and providing robust safety solutions for industrial facilities and municipal infrastructure projects.